how they can be out in the cold, extreme cold weather and not get cold. When we go outside, we have to put many, many layers on. Your coat, your boots, your snow pants, your mittens, even sometimes a hat. And we have lots and lots of layers on. But they're in that cold weather, sometimes even in the water, without any coat or boots on. How does that happen? I'm going to show you a science experiment today. And I'm going to show you how polar bears can stay in the water for that long. You know what? They can stay in the water for up to 5 months and not get cold. That's pretty cool. So these are the things that you'll need to do your science experiment. You'll need some Crisco or shortening, a large baggie, a small baggie or sandwich baggie, a latex glove. If you don't have a latex glove, you can use your sandwich baggie. And then you need a bowl, and then it needs to have some ice water in it. Okay? And then some paper towel, because you'll need to clean up. It gets a little bit messy. So the first thing you're going to do is put your Crisco or shortening in your big Ziploc baggie and squish it all around. And then you're going to put your latex glove on, or you can use your sandwich baggie. That works as a glove too. Put your hand in it. And I'm going to pull up my sleeve so I don't get it all over. And the first thing I'm going to do is put my hand in that cold, icy water. When it's so cold, I can't even keep my hand in there for more than 5 seconds. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, too cold. I have to take it out. So then how do polar bears do it? How do they stay in the water for up to 5 months and not get cold? Let's try putting our hand into the Crisco or the shortening. So get your hand in there and squish it all around. So you're going to use the shortening as a protective barrier all around your sandwich baggie or your latex glove. And then we're going to put our hand back in the ice cold water. Let's see. Wow, that's not cold at all. I can keep my hand in there for 10 seconds, maybe even 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's not even cold. So that's how polar bears get to stay in the water for that long period of time. They have a protective barrier. That's a pretty cool science experiment. Hope you have fun doing that at home. Let me give you some fun facts about polar bears. Did you know in the province of Manitoba, they actually have polar bear police? Yep, those polar bear police, they patrol around town to make sure none of the polar bears come into the city. Did you also know that on February 27th, every year, that's International Polar Bear Day. Here's another fun fact. Polar bears, the male polar bear, can get as big as 1,764 pounds. That's the same as 10 adults. That's pretty cool. Did you also know that they have hairy feet? I know, that sounds gross, but they don't have hairy feet just to keep their feet warm. They have hairy feet because it helps them walk on the ice. Also, one more fun fact. Did you know that a polar bear can travel as far as 2,889 kilometers just to get some food? That's pretty cool, huh? Well, I hope you have lots of fun with your family doing some experiments about polar bears. Have fun. Thanks for joining us. See you next time.